Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are going to be opening up a Snorlax GX box and a lucario GX box. And so this box comes with a two never seen before foil promo cards featuring a Snorlax and a Snorlax GX. One foil oversized card featuring a Snorlax GX. 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs. And a card for the Pokemon trading card game. Yeah, so let's open the Snorlax GX box. Okay. Start right here. Yeah, I'll see y'all guys when I'm done opening. Okay guys, the box is finally opened, and wow, I've never seen a card that big. So let's open it up, and we are going to be doing the Guess the Energy game. Oh, my card is stuck in there. Hold a second. My bad. It just doesn't want to come out, now does it? Okay, I'm going to show you the GX, Snorlax GX. So I'll put that in the pulls from today. There's a Snorlax holographic. And then we have the gigantic card, Snorlax, oh my gosh. Okay, Snorlax GX. Yeah. And I'll put that right there. Now we also have 4 booster packs, and we are going to be doing the Guess the Energy game. Now, okay, now guys, you are going to be playing along in the Guess the Energy game. You're going to be guessing what energies are inside of here, and yeah, it just goes like that. Now let's open the first booster pack. Here's the... Oh man. Okay, I'm going to have to do something. How do you switch this thing around? Guess you can't switch it around. Well, anyways, there is the thing. Sorry if the words are backwards. Wait, is it clear upside down? No. Okay. So let's open and do the first thing. Now, Guess the Energy game starts now. Well, not now. Lightning energy. Oh my gosh. I guess I did it wrong. Anyways, we're not going to be doing the Guess the Energy game. Okay. The first one is a trainer card. Old number at Aurodacity. A Scorched Earth, a Umati, a Finnegan, Solosis, Rylu, Spoink, Diglett, Energy Reset, and a Mega Alakazam EX. Look at that. We have pulled one of the cards from this set, and this set is the Fades Colored. And tell me your favorite art on these things. My favorite would personally be, oh, I have to bend down for a second. Would personally have to be this one right here. Oh, and this one's next. So let's put these in the normal. pulls, and we'll put this Mega Alakazam EX in the great pulls of today. Now let's open this another one. And okay, here is this. Try to do it upside down. You can pause the video if you need to. Okay, we'll put that over there. And okay, first one. Eradicate. Super Potion. Special Energy. Professor Oak's Hint. Caterpie. Poliwag. Pikachu. Ponyta. Nidoran. And Brock's Grit. Holographic. Well, not really holographic. I don't know. Okay, so we'll just put that aside. The other not so great pulls of today. Now let's open this one. This really cool one. Love the art on it. So here is this. Oh. And let's start. Wormadam. Can't really pronounce that. It's hard. Scorched Earth. Cottony. Maikunu. Whatever that was. Whismer. Meowth. Binnacle. Vullaby. And a Mega Alakazam EX. Look at that. Another one. Okay, let's do the last pack for the Snorlax GX booster pack. Oh my gosh, this one does not want to open. Oh, yep, it's opening. Ah, there we go. Okay, here's this card. That right there. Okay, let's flip it over. Mewtwo. Pokédex. Devolution Spray. Magmar. Charmander. Psychic Energy, I mean. Pikachu. Growlithe. Machop. And Gyarados. Whoo, look at that. Shiny Gyarados. Not an EX, but it is a Gyarados. Would you look at that? I guess I'll put that in the special pulls of today. Now let's go to the other Pokemon. Okay, I will show you the amazing pulls we have had for today. So over here, I'm counting this in. Gyarados, Mega Alakazam, another Mega Alakazam, a Snorlax GX, and the other Snorlax GX, the big oversized card, is somewhere around here. It's huge. It couldn't have gone somewhere far away. Okay, now I will see you when the Lucario GX box is opened and the rest of the stuff is cleaned. Oh, guys, I forgot something. One more. The one that it came with. Okay, now I'll see you. Oh no. Okay, guys, we got some fantastic pulls from that Snorlax GX box. Now we are into the Lucario GX box. Now let me show you all of... It happened again. The Lucario GX is stuck in its spot. Okay, let's show you the Lucario GX. Okay. Okay, now let's get all these booster packs out. And here is the card. And this is the big one. Okay, now let's get to open. Oh yeah, I'm sorry in the beginning of the video. I said we were going to be doing the guess the energy game, but I guess we couldn't do it. So let's open it up and see what we have. The promo card. Now let's see what we can do. Okay. Let's see. Okay. The first one we have is a Frost Rotom. Yama. Murkrow. Eevee. Oh, look at all his little friends. Or her. Whatever it is. Vulpix. I think I have 2 of those now. Fighting Energy. Ancient Crystal. Spiritomb. Rotom. Stunky. And a Palika GX full art. Look at that. Whoo, we have got some good pulls so far. My goodness. I can't believe our pulls. Okay, let's get to the next one. Open this. All of these cards lately have not been wanting to open. But anyways, I guess that's a problem. Here is the card. Okay. Here's the Tomo. Cutiefly. Rylu. Rhyhorn. Tangela. Dancy. Meowtic. Psychic Energy. Pokédex. Super Scoop. And Electabuzz. Okay. No good pulls for that one. But let's open this one. Okay, so it's supposed to say training card game right there, but I guess the words are like covered by the Pokemon. Kind of weird. Okay. First Pokemon I will be showing. Okay, first thing. Okay, here's the promo card or whatever it's called. I will get that name right. Okay. Bunnelby. Shellos. Cubone. Cubone. Feebas. Sandit. Devoured Field. Oh wow. There's actually almost no Pokemon on that card. Ooh. Primeape. Okay, Dark Energy. Diggersby. Hakamo'o. Encounters Catch, or whatever that just said. Okay, let's just do that. Now we have one more card to do, and that will be the end of this video. But it's not the end yet. We have this card. This last card set. Whoa, saw that card right there. Okay, there we go. That is it. Now the words on these are backwards, like I said. Now let's do it. Seal. Wismore. Finnegan. Hey, guess what? Finnegan Republic. Solicus. Sneevy. Devolution Spray. Ooh. Aerodactyly. That looks kind of cool. Fairy Drop. Wheezing. And last but not least, Power Memory. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that notifications bell to never miss another video.